everybody. How are you guys? Morning. Good morning, everybody. I'm on my way to Pilates. Hi. Ilang araw na lang. Oh my God. It's my birthday. I'm turning 32. Secret. Para namang i-google kung ilang taon na. So, papunta ako ngayon sa Pilates. Good morning, everybody. Hi, Oli Polly. Vilma Gad, good morning. Good morning from Hong Kong. Hello from Salt Lake City. Hi. Advance happy birthday. Thank you. I don't know. Secret. Ilang taon na ba ako? Secret. Ewan ko, mag-google na yun naman. Basta, mag-birthday na ako and I'm feeling blue. I guess it's normal. Asa tas imong birthday? What? Diyo ko'y plano sa akong birthday. I think I have work on my birthday, which I love working. I love working at my birthday, so I'm working on my birthday. Good morning. Yes. Hello from Cabanatuan. Hi, Carla Manungsung. Oh my God, let's fix my hair. So, how are you guys? Kumusta? Anong balita sa inyong lahat? It's been a while. Lydia's super cute. I know, she's so big na. She's like 8 years old. Oh my gosh. Bilis ng panahon. Hi, gibugma kita. Jayla Sangan. Thank you. Joanne Iloilo here. Hi. Hey, James. Thank you. Oh my God. First day ko na ulit. I'm fine. Hello from Thailand. Thank you, Domingo Candaza from Canada. Greetings from Cebu. Naku, gimingaw na ko kaong chorizo Cebu. It's really good. Yung bang saktong tambok ng gagmay. Gimingaw na ko kaon na na. Can I buy kaya chorizo Cebu? I want to eat chorizo Cebu. Hello. Saan na lang ang diet, nangitag chorizo. Hi, Jenny! Na-miss mo ng Kadanang Ginto. I miss Kadanang Ginto too. Oh my God, tagal na. So, may bago kayong aabangan. We're shooting now, Prinsesa ng City Jail. Kasama ko dito si Sofia Pablo. So, ayan yung bagong abangan niyo. Napakagandang kwento with Denise Laurel. Super, like, every week, ang dami yung aabangan. Ang daming twists and turns. Nakakaiyak, nakakagigil. It's exciting. So, I'm really, kailan po airing? I don't know yet. Hopefully this year. Yeah, it's been an exciting year. From comedy sa walang matigas na pulis to drama. Exciting. I'm excited. Hello. Hi. Ari Beauty noticed me from Domagari. Hi, Cass Ceci. Diana Moral. Aren't you planning on giving Olivia a younger brother? No plans. Okay na po ako sa isang baby. Thank you. Ano to? Raquel. Hello from New York. I miss New York. Pag napansin mo, iyak na ako buong araw. Or, Jernia, huwag ka naman umiyak. Be happy. Arbaca, John Tudor. Na-miss ko na si Romina Mondragon. Nako, abangan mo si Charlene Cristobal. I think you're gonna like her. You're gonna love her. No, I don't think. I'm sure you're gonna love Charlene. And also Divina. Excited ako sa role ni Miss Denise. Aww, happy birthday, Carla Manungsong. Happy birthday. Ganahan naman sad ko sa mong short hair. Ay, thank you. I got my haircut. Wala gani ko yung supply from Junie. Thanks, Junie. Ako'y panudlay. So, ako'y lingaw. So, mag-live ta. Bobby Stitch. Hello. Gina from Singapore. Hope, bye. Hi. Nax from Quezon City. Okay, I'm gonna read back. Good morning. Alright. Hello, sweetie. You're so pretty. Hi, Maninay. Thank you. Long last. Hi po. Kamukha niyo po si Beauty. Kasi ako si Beauty. Kamukha ko daw si Beauty. Sino bang pinapanood mo? Multo? Si Pretty? Kamukha niyo si Beauty. Nakakatawa po. May taping ka po ba ngayon? Wala akong taping ngayon. So, wala. Papaganda lang ako today. Workout. Ayun. Tumakbo ako kanina. So, ngayon naman, Pilates. And mamaya, lunch. Ganun lang yung drama ko today. And then, konting drinks with friends. Kung may time. And then, ayun. Simple life. Basta Bisaya, guwapa. Oh, thank you. Hi. Hello. Parang nag-iba po yung voice nyo. Hindi naman. Hininaan ko lang. Kasi, ewan ko ba. Hindi ko alam. May kamukha ka, Beauty. Natatawa ako dun. Short hair lang ako ngayon. Kamukha niyo po si Beauty. Bakit? Kalkag sira akong buhok, no? Sarap. Hello, good morning. Hi. Hello from Pangasinan. Ano pa bang gagawin? Ano pa bang balita sa inyo lahat? Arkin Manalang, hello. Hello from Cavite. I want to thank Clinica de Belleza for taking good care of my skin. Ganda. Thank you. Wala ba'y bagong sayaw sa Reels? Oh my gosh. I don't know. Manayaw ta. Dagang mag-react. Sayaw. Sige, abangan nyo. Maybe. Nakatawa man tato eh. Mabay sayaw sa Reels. Yeah, I don't have makeup. Ligo lang ko, day. You're so pretty, kind, and humble. Adoracho from Bulacan. Hello, Kate Man from Aklan. Hi, Gianna from New Zealand. Hello, Jaran from Cavite. Don't forget, to be smiling today. Alright. Hi, Arviza. Ito na. Ready na tayo. Alex, hello ka sa kanila. Hello.
Hello po. Good morning.
Naks naman. Natatawa ako. Ay.
Sa mukha po siya ni Ma'am.
Kamukha ko daw si Mang Beauty. Natawa ako doon. Sabi ko, sino ba kausap nila? Multo. Ginoo ko. Ano ba to? Kaya ko to. Kaya ko to. Inayos ko lang yung pag-compute. Alright. We're rolling. Aray, hindi ako. Ang gulo. Ah! So, lalakad-lakad tayo ngayon. Papunta sa Pilares. Hi everybody. It's a beautiful sunny day. Mamaya, sobrang init na. But nice to walk outside. So, ganun lang. Woohoo! Beautiful. Walking to Pilares. Have a great day, everybody. Hi, Kuya. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So, lakad-lakad tayo ngayon. Wala pang tao sa mall. And, yeah, we're gonna do Pilates today. Hello! It's always nice to say hello to everybody. Lakad-lakad! Choo-doo! Tolome! Namiss niyo ba si Tolome? Namiss ko na rin yung malang matigas na pulis. Pero, ayun, kailangan munang magpagaling ni Senator Pong. Pag-pray natin na sana mabilis yung paggaling niya. Kasi, dami niyang mga plans. Also, yung alias Pogi, exciting din yun na movie. So, lakad-lakad. Ayan, nahihilo na ba kayo? Di nila alam, nagla-live ako. Makatingin sila sa akin, sabi nila parang nawiwirduan na sila. Pala eh. Kaya tingin tayo sa inaakitan. Baka tayo mahulog. Hingal! Ay, nakakahingal. Alright. Akyat, akyat, akyat. Hello! Ayan sila. Hi! Hingal ako. Alright. I'm here. I'm here. Live. Nagla-live ako, mag-hi. Ay, sorry. Kayo lang. Say hi kayo. Wow, pag-girl. Pasandal mo na sa, dyan na muna. Hindi, okay lang. Tinatanggal ko lang shoes ko. Alright. Kapoy. Hiningal ako. The heiress. Thank you. Finally, we're here. tayo. Hi, Mac. Thank you. Kagwapa ba? Prayers lang. Tsaka be happy. Drink lots of water. What is this? Ano po workout routine yung split? I'm getting ready now for Pilates. Pilates.